Are you looking for an opportunity to start your own business, determine the hours you work, and earn an uncapped income? The Timber Doctor is a well-established timber, tile, stone, and specialty surface repair and restoration franchise network. Operating for over 30 years, our franchisees come from all walks of life, and each share the desire to be a part of a well-known brand. That helps them build their own successful and lifestyle-friendly business.
Prior to working as a timber doctor, I was a carpenter.
I was actually a stay-at-home mum.
I was working in construction.
We're excited that you've considered the Timber Doctor as a potential part of your future.
The Timber Doctor provides professional repair and restoration services to timber flooring, furniture and finishes. Refinishing and repairs to damaged laminate, tile and high-gloss surfaces, as well as refinishing and repairs to stone, granite and marble surfaces.
I'm always learning new skills. Every job is different.
I can bring something back to life rather than it being replaced.
The variety is really enjoyable about this work as well.
Seeing the reaction on people's faces, repairing something that they were just going to chuck in the rubbish, it's pretty satisfying.
The work-life balance and the autonomy to be able to run the business as well.
The franchise works, it's family-based and it's meant to help you be successful.
I love the fact that we have such a great working relationship with head office, and their interest is to try and help franchisees like ourselves to really succeed in our business.
It has been the best decision for myself and my family.
If you want a successful business backed by a top national brand, visit our website or register your interest.